Want your manga library to work way? Suwayomi has you covered. Subtitle: Why Suwayomi is the ultimate manga app for PC fans. Here's why you should try it. Suwayomi is like having your own personal manga library right on your PC. It runs as a server so you can access your collection from any device with a browser: Windows, Mac, Linux, even Chrome OS. Here's the magic: Suwayomi supports all the same extensions as Tachiyomi and Mihon, so you get access to hundreds of manga sources, just like your favorite mobile apps. Use the simple web interface, or try Suwayomi, a sleek client for both desktop and mobile. Download manga, add metadata, and sync with services like Manga, all in one place. Want to read offline? Suwayomi handles that too, supporting formats like JPG, ZIP, and EPUB. Quick recap. Pros. Media. Reading manga offline on laptop. File Explorer showing JPG, ZIP, EPUB files. Person reading manga on computer without internet, multi-platform. Tons of sources, offline reading, and total control. Cons. It's still in alpha, so expect a few bugs and a web reader that's basic compared to dedicated apps. Ready for the ultimate manga experience on PC?